Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error code. Error servers are down easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here background apps and then make sure to disable the first option here, and after that type here device manager, click on it. Once you're here, go to network adapters and right click on first one, click update, and then search automatically for updates, and then one by one here into the last one, update all of those network drivers here, and then restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, open file explorer and go to this PC, then local disk, and then go to Windows. Scroll down until you find system 32, and once you're here, all you have to do just you need to find just type here etc and you will find it. And now click on it and cut the first file here, not copy, click cut and go to backup. Just create a new folder on your desktop and name it backup, and then put this folder on it, click paste, and that's it. Your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.